Meaning of imbalance.
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 Imbalance. The term imbalance refers to an unequal or disproportionate distribution of a certain entity or characteristic, often resulting in an unfavorable situation. For example, an imbalance in power between two parties can lead to exploitation, while an imbalance in the body's electrolytes can cause health problems. Imbalances can arise in various realms, including social, economic, environmental, and physiological contexts. Generally, addressing imbalances involves identifying the root causes and implementing measures to rectify them, such as through regulation, education, or intervention programs. Failure to address imbalances can lead to long-term negative consequences for individuals and society as a whole.